What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 tools that you need to have at home if you're going to wrap your car. I'm Lucas. This is Astro Auto Styling. Obviously, in my shop, I use more than these 5 tools, and on my website, astroautostyling.com, I've linked all of the tools I do use, and they're all bought from Amazon, or the majority of them are. If you're going to purchase these to wrap your own car or for another reason, using those links will help me out because I do get a small cut, so I will appreciate that. But let's go into why I chose these 5. You need a heat gun because in order to stretch the vinyl, relax it, get rid of wrinkles, you need some source of heat. This heat gun, I had, a couple of them. I keep repurchasing this one just because I like it so much. It's really good. The heat setting here, it's easy to work with, and it can get really hot. If you need a lot of heat, this is effective. I really like this one. Price has gone up quite a bit. I used to be able to get it like around pre-COVID times for $50, but now they're near 100. So it's getting a little crazy, but it's a very good heat gun. It's much better than those like cheap ones you find in wherever, Walmart or Canadian Tire. Here's the wrap glove that I use. Focio. Again, you can buy it. It's linked on Amazon. You need a wrap glove because even like your nails and your skin can leave scratches on the vinyl. So this just helps protect the vinyl from getting damaged. And whenever you have areas where a squeegee won't work, the wrap glove I find is very, very effective. So around these like curved areas, recesses where you have to kind of lay in, the glove can be very, very effective. So we have heat gun, we have our wrap glove. Squeegee is obviously like the most important. This is how everyone lays down vinyl. This is what you need. I've seen people say you can put like the buffer on credit cards, but I mean, just buy squeegee. They're not that expensive. Okay, so squeegee, that's pretty obvious. Next one is the NT cutter. So you can get any blade in these packages with the squeegees and the gloves. Companies like Focio, they do offer blades. The reason I don't like them has to do with the casing that the blade is in. So this one is plastic. I'll show you the other ones that you can get. This one is a very common blade that you can get in these like wrap packages. The reason I don't like this one, well, there's 2 main reasons. Number one, the case or whatever holds the blade, whatever you want to call it, is metal. So why is that an issue? Because when you're cutting on the car, watch what happens. So if I was wrapping here, I'd be trimming, resting my blade against the opposite panel, right? When I do that with this plastic one, you can see as I'm cutting here, part of my blade, you sometimes touch, and you're at weird angles where the case touches the other panel, okay? If it's plastic, you don't have to worry about scratching anything. But if it's metal and that metal touches this panel here, you can leave scratches. To me, this is just a much safer option, and the case is bigger, so it feels better in your hands. It's more ergonomical, easy to work with. So the second reason I like this blade, again, the NT cutter with the plastic case, is because when the blade gets dull and you've snapped off all the pieces, you're down to the last bit, you can just push out the last blade here. It's going to be hard to do with one hand, but there we go. So it comes out, and you can store multiple blades in here. So you just pull it all the way back, and then when you push it out, you'll have a new blade. It's really, really fast, really easy to work with, and again, it just feels good in your hands. It's ergonomical. So if you're going to buy a blade, I would choose this one, the NT cutter. Very, very good. This is in no particular order, but last on the list is the tuck tools. Why do you need tuck tools? For this reason. Let's say you've wrapped this roof and you need to tuck underneath the seal because you're not wrapping over the seal, guys. That's butchered. Don't do that. You get your tuck tool and you can lift up the seal just like this. Get a little closer here. As you can see, it lifts it up just enough to tuck some vinyl behind there. Okay, so that's why you need a tuck tool. As I mentioned before, there are more tools that I personally use when I'm wrapping a car, but if you're just trying to take on a wrap at home or work on your own car or whatever, you can get by with these 5 tools. There are other tools you can use, knifeless tape, wrap cutters to cut like vinyl off the roll, magnets to hold the vinyl in place. All these things can be found on my website if you want to go down that road, but you don't need to. You can get by with these 5 things and the job will come out nice. So simple as that. Try to keep it really short. Those are the 5 tools you need: heat gun, squeegee, wrap glove, tuck tools, and a knife to cut the vinyl. That's it, guys. Good luck. Thanks for watching.